Hello, it's Monday the 2nd. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. Now, growth indicators remain pretty weak and some feel the UK economy is facing a pretty fruity recession risk where the labour market is crumbling. Some fear an unemployment spike is looming. And does this mean that we're in for more aggressive rate cuts from the MPC then? Because at the same time, wage inflation is slowing and services prices are normalising, and that has been seen by some to project inflation will fade down to the 2% target later this year. That said, the vote is still expected to be a hold from the MPC this week, so let's not get ahead of ourselves just yet. Starmer's been on. He's stopped by the land of the rising sun and he's announced agreements on cybersecurity, mineral supply chains and fighter jet developments with the UK, Italy and Japan. Add that to 5% whisky tariffs and visa-free travel to China and Starmer will probably claim this is a highly successful jaunt to the Far East. Over in the US, dear old Donald has nominated Kevin Walsh for the Fed chair position. Walsh was the youngest to serve on the Fed Board of Governors before working with billionaire Stanley Druckenmiller, so he's comfortable with the big money credentials needed for #Team Trump. He will likely swap out with Stephen Miran to get back on the board in case Powell decides to stick around after stepping down as governor. Trump has joked that he would sue Walsh if he didn't vote for rate cuts going forwards, but hey, you know what they say, there is truth in every joke, or at least a little coercion. In the market, the dollar index recovered from the recent lows that peaked around 97.15 before the weekend, and we kick off the new week from around 136.75 against the dollar. We are 115.40 against the euro, and euro dollar was around 118.55 on the open. That's it from me. Have a great day.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.